Hi everybody, just now we started pre-security model and first chapter is cybersecurity introduction. Let's open this chapter and try to understand what we need. Why understanding how the web works important. To attack web application, you need to understand how they work. Hacking website isn't some magical process, but does come down knowing how a part of website function and being blah 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 blah. It's very. Let's open view site and try to understand what we started to learn. You are an info hacker and it's your job to test security vulnerabilities of a book face. Let's look taking over a user's account. It's a bean spring profile and we need to test. Just write bean spring, yes. Reset the password. We've sent your email with digit 4 code. Okay. But we don't know which one. And it's right, there are 10,000 different combinations of codes we can enter. We could try increasing them one by one. Okay. Which one? Click. Okay. Type of the request option can include get, post, delete. Okay. Next. Part of the request that tells the web server we are using a Google Chrome version. Next. Book face. Next. Okay. Next. Done. Okay. We wrote and then tell it you have 10,000. Hey, we found it. Okay. Reset password and we have THM brute forcing correct answer. Okay. Why networking is important? Yes, you must know important network security. Network is really important to understand in cybersecurity. Okay. And we have answer. Okay. Learning roadmap. This is the first chapter. This is very easy. If you like our video, just click the button like and share us.